Hi everyone. In this video I will talk about the pi symbol and also the words hat, monkey, the Armenian word vart, which means rose in English. Human cells have 23 pair of chromosomes and the number 23 comes up in words related to this subject. So I have a few pictures about a few other things too. What does a monkey or a donkey have anything to do with a key? What does a pig have anything to do with a pigeon? What does a boa constrictor have anything to do with a boar? The answer is in the Armenian language and in this video. Pi represents a circle. Phi is the spiral. The movement of nature is in the spiral shape. There is no perfect circle in the universe. But in our material world and to our visual perception, there is a circle and an oval. A pi symbolizes this circle. Phi and pi are one of the two most important symbols in arithmetic and in geometry. The importance of pi is just as relevant as phi. These symbols are all from the Armenians. The proportions of pi along with the proportions of phi are found together in many ancient structures and other ancient objects and Armenian names and words. These symbols are so important that we use them today for building structures and they are taught in schools. The numbers that represent these symbols are both eternal. The number for pi, which is 314, is in the words tsul, ut, and the name kuchatish, and a few other words and names. The number in the word ut add up to 22. When we divide 22 by 7 because it's in the word ut, we get the number for pi, which is 314. The same thing happens with the word tsul. The word ut was used in the Mayan civilization. The numbers in the ancient Armenian name Khatir totals 22. There are 7 letters in this name. 22 divided by the number of letters in this name equals the number for pi. In all ancient structures there is proportionality. We also see proportionality in the Armenian words. In the Great Pyramid there is proportionality of 11 to 7 or 22 to 14. Also there is the proportionality of phi and pi in the makeup of the 3 pyramids in Giza. This is according to the World Mysteries website. In the layout of the 3 pyramids, a hexagram is formed. When an imaginary lines are made over this complex, we have a tilted star. The angle of the tilt in the star is exactly the same degree as the hexagrams in the Armenian highlands. Also, the number for pi is in this complex. This research was conducted by Johann Odelkamp. The pi symbol is made up of 3 pillars. The number 3 is very important here. The capstone is the top part of the pyramid and it is also called the pyramidion. The capstone of the red pyramid is a big mystery and there are people that are trying to hide something from us by changing this capstone with another one. However, the original stone is in the measurement I have in this picture. The measurement of the original capstone matches the numbers in the word hreshtag. The numbers in the word Hurashtag are 1, 5, 7. This is exactly the width of the pyramidion. 157 is exactly half of a pi. Where did this word pi come from? The origin of the word pi is from the Armenians. It comes from the prefix ba. Ba is used in such words as baitel, barab, boral, bars. This prefix is used in the English language as well with words like bike, bark, and a few other words. The meaning of this prefix is explosion and expansion. Observe the small pig and then the big pig in the pillars of Portasar. They even use these words pi and related words like bor and all the Armenian words that start with ba. The word big has this concept in it, which proves that the English language was created by the Armenians. The prefix ba was used for the word pi. Ba became pa or pi. Barab, both in numbers and etymology, is very meaningful and connected to pi. It is perfectly proportional. There is a bar in the center. The prefix ba, when written in Armenian, has 3 claws or 3 lines. In one side of the bar you have ba and the other side ab. The etymology of the word baitel and the numerology of it gives all the clues we need to connect this word to baitel, to pi. These words are all interconnected. With words like baitel, boral, barab, and pi, we can connect ourselves to the pillars of Göbekli Tepe or Portasar. Observe the up and down pattern in the sum of the word baitel. The number for pi is in the word baitel. The word baitel, barab, and drakel, bars are from the family of words that express the explosion and implosion phenomena. The word barab expresses both the outer and the inner self. Ba is the explosion and the reverse of it is ab. The drakel word has the exact number of 314159, which is the number for pi.